Shopping in common marketplace is not a new concept. Since time immemorial, shopping used to be a regular phenomenon in our daily life. Emperor Trajan's market of ancient Rome was constructed as a covered common marketplace during the reign of Trajan. Grand Bazaar in Istanbul was also not an exception. It was perhaps the oldest covered marketplace with 60 streets and 5,000 shops selling lanterns, carpets, ceramic tiles, jewelries, textiles and some beautiful antiques. Chandni Chowk and Meena Bazaar since older times and Sarojini Nagar and Lajpat Nagar in today's time are facilitating consumers for shopping in common marketplace. But today, the idea of shopping has changed. Old marketplaces are gradually being replaced by huge shopping malls and departmental stores. Consumers travel to far-off places like Dubai, Hong Kong, Europe and many other countries for shopping. Even specialized shopping festivals are being organized these days. Based on the concept of common marketplace, online shopping has become the lifeline of today's consumer. It saves consumers precious time and consumers can order products in few minutes sitting at their own comfort. Shopping web portals have become the most advanced and innovative ways of shopping. That is why National Small Industries Corporation NSIC with a B2C business to consumer web portal www.msmeshopping.com to showcase products of small business enterprises. We are selling international brands like Apple. Most of the times our regular customers ask us for an online order facility. Now I give them my online store address, which is msmeshopping.com.
My friends were asking about my pretty dress, which I wore in our college fest. And they were amazed when I told them that I bought it from msmeshopping.com.
Shopping of MSME products is very easy on this web portal. It has online buying and selling, attractive range of products, cash on delivery available, online registration, popular product section, multi-product cart, customer support through call center, and enhanced security features. Indian entrepreneurs can become member of NSIC's msmeshopping.com online and offline by just following simple steps. Just open your internet browser and type www.msmeshopping.com in the address bar. Now click on Register as a seller. Fill up all the information in registration form and submit. Now suppose you have a business of ready-made garments. You just click pictures of your best samples with your camera or even with your mobile phone. Using Word software, save some details of your products you think can be asked by your customer. Save them in a folder on your computer's desktop. You will be provided with a user ID and password to log in with a control panel via email. Now open your internet and msmeshopping.com. Fill your user ID and password here. Select the pictures of your products and upload. Don't forget to fill the details of your products along with its picture. Save it by clicking here on Submit button. Now you will be informed by email as soon as you receive any order from your customer. You just have to note down the details of the product ordered and get it dispatched to the address. Your products are available for online selling at msmeshopping.com now. You can monitor these products and your orders anytime by logging into your control panel. You also have option to choose courier services from NSIC's empaneled logistics partners or from your own for delivery of your products. You will be happy to know that NSIC does not charge any fee for the registration or commission on the sale of your products. Come and join MSME Shopping to reach out to potential buyers, sell consumer and commercial products, and reach out to every corner of the country. Sell on msmeshopping.com gives you an opportunity to become e-retailer, classified listing, reliable service, and fully secured transaction. Sell online and make your life comfortable. National Small Industries Corporation, NSIC. Making the future of online selling.